Hey there, if this isn't the first Squarespace review you've watched, you have probably heard one thing over and over. Squarespace looks wonderful. The best builder for brands or designers. And yeah, it is really difficult to argue when Squarespace Website Builder wins awards on top of awards for design. But did you know that there is a lot more to this website builder? Like great business features, maybe not so great AI? Yeah, there's a lot, but allow me to explain all you need to know in my short Squarespace review 2026. Before we jump in, hit that like button, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Oh, and if you're here just for the discount, all right, don't worry, I got you. You can scan this QR code on the screen or use the link in the description. You're welcome. So what is Squarespace? Well, it's an all-in-one website builder that lets you design, host, and manage a website without touching code. Building a website on Squarespace is easy for any level of web design knowledge. However, it's difficult to call Squarespace AI Website Builder a true AI. It's complicated. So, well, let's start with that. Squarespace now leans heavily into something they call design intelligence. It's basically a mix of AI-powered tools, smart design systems, and business insights that help you build faster, even if you have zero design experience. Yeah, that sounds great, and you get access to over 190 professionally designed templates. And I mean, yeah, I do not need to repeat myself about how good they look. All of this is great if you have a creative bone in your body, but the AI is rather limited, if you can call it that. The AI web design generator is just you going through onboarding and choosing from a very, very limited list of styles and website sections. This doesn't feel like the future to me, and to be fair, it bugs me more than helps me. What if I want 2 product sections? What if I want these sections in a different order? You see what I mean when I say it's limited, especially compared to Wix or Hostinger? That's why I always go with regular templates and do my own thing, since as of now, this AI implementation is the biggest downside of Squarespace. But with the basics out of the way, you can look at the editing process and AI tools there. And spoiler alert, the editor is one of the best in the market. Okay, so in my Squarespace review 2026, I've hyped it up enough, right? See here? Yeah, I am currently editing my design. Here you go, much clearer. I love the editor here due to its clean, minimalistic design, responsive controls, and a lot of creative freedom. If the AI feels restrained with the editor, you can craft anything you like. And speaking about AI, I really like that it can give you structure suggestions for each separate, well, section. In fact, I'm surprised this option is not in the onboarding phase. But maybe that's in the plans? Another massive plus for Squarespace is just the sheer number of elements you can play with. Restaurant menus, SoundCloud players, social media integrations, Amazon product embedding, you name it, it's probably there. There are actually not that many competitors that can still be considered beginner friendly and offer this many options. On top of all of that, the Fluid Engine drag and drop editor is a massive upgrade from the block-based systems you might be used to with things like WordPress. You can customize how the grid works and place elements wherever you want, allowing for truly creative designs. Oh, and there are settings for both mobile and desktop views. But honestly, Squarespace does automatic responsiveness so well that generally I don't even need to check it. One small thing, for some reason, Squarespace doesn't have an autosave feature. It's good to not mess your designs up, but just keep that in mind and press that save icon frequently. To sum this part up, we've got meh AI onboarding, amazing templates, and one of the best modern feeling website editors. It's safe to say that's a good start for Squarespace. So you're probably wondering, well, how much does Squarespace cost? With so many features and tools, I would say that Squarespace is priced rather decently, but it is a little bit on the higher side. Your price includes hosting, Squarespace domain, security, e-commerce, and some of the best design templates in the game, but every subscription allows you to build a single website. So if there are cheaper options out there, is Squarespace worth it? If you're selling online, wanting to grow as a brand or influencer or have a business to represent, it is one of the best options. Not a lot of web builders can compete with Squarespace in terms of marketing tools, business integrations, or extras. If you have ever worked with a group of people on a web project, you'll also appreciate how easy it is to work with others when there's no contributor limit. What I really like is that there are no renewal price increases or any of that industry standard nonsense. You see one price, and that's the price you will pay as long as you use Squarespace. No nonsense. To put the cherry on top, Squarespace has a no credit card required 14-day free trial. I mean, sure, you can't publish your site online, but you can definitely try the entire platform out. So again, check the deals in the description and on the QR code. I mean, that will certainly help soften the pricing up a great deal for you. But even then, if you want a stylish business site, look no further than Squarespace. But as I mentioned at the beginning, Squarespace is not just the looks. You should also get Squarespace for e-commerce and marketing tools. You can sell unlimited products, organize them using tags and categories, sell memberships and gated content, enable abandoned cart recovery, manage payments from one centralized dashboard, and integrate with popular payment systems and shipping providers. While it's not perfect for massive enterprise level stores, you're probably looking to start a business and not the next Amazon, so everything needed is here. Besides, SEO in Squarespace is easy. Beacon AI, their built-in assistant, announced at Refresh 2025 and now live, helping with the content creation, SEO suggestions, optimization tips, and general business guidance. And there are way more AI updates planned for the future. So use the link below, grab the trial and test it out. Maybe leave a comment on this video to let others know how it went. Squarespace also offers a full suite of built-in marketing tools. These include email campaigns with templates that automatically match your website's design, AI-assisted email copy to save time, and marketing automations that map out the customer journey. Built-in analytics provides solid basics to intermediate insights, and for more comprehensive data needs, third-party tools can be very easily integrated. That's all great, but for me, the standout was the Unfold app. It is completely free and allows me to create really engaging social media posts in a few clicks. If you ever struggle with what to say, Unfold helps you find that voice. Okay, that was a bit corny, but you get the idea. It's an outstanding free tool for businesses or brands, and there is a lot more to be fair, but I'll let you find all of that for yourself. I think I've provided you with enough information to decide whether Squarespace is for you or not. So after we went through all of this Squarespace review, is it the best website builder for everyone? Well, no, of course not necessarily. It lacks a little bit in the AI race, and it can be a bit pricey as well, especially for personal projects. But if you want speed, simplicity, beautiful design, and solid e-commerce, all without managing hosting or WordPress plugins, well, then it is an excellent choice. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech breakdowns, and I will see you in the next one.